All right, here we go. Ready? What is going on, my G's? I hope you're having a wonderful day, and especially today because I am having a wonderful day. As you guys can see right there, the GT2 RS finally arrived. I took delivery of it yesterday. Honestly, being completely honest with you guys, I was a little stoned after shooting a bake and bake.
Do you know where the cutting boards are?
Of course. Bitches! I just couldn't get anything done with the car. So right now, before making a video review and talking about the car and how it feels and all of that, I'm gonna do the most important thing, which everyone should do, get familiar with the car. I'm gonna go for a canyon drive, see how the car handles, and enjoy this beautiful California weather. Okay, so before we take it out, what am I expecting from the car? I'm expecting a super raw experience, like a GT3 RS, but with a massive motor, something close to what the 720 is basically. Lots of great handling because of the rear wheel steering, lots of great power. Obviously, the 911 has been the most perfected car in history, so this should feel like the most epic fucking precision knife. That's wild as shit, if that makes any sense. So let's see if we get any of that right now. That's what I'm going out to see, if he does that in the canyons where it matters. So let's go. And Buddy's coming with me because we're gonna take some fucking beautiful shots of this thing in the canyons, because why not? Life is beautiful. Wallpapers for you guys. Okay, so we're out in the car right now. All of the settings in the car, the first thing you need to do, or the first thing that I do when I take these cars out, I like to test them out without anything on. So no sport, no stiff suspension, just in the most relaxed mode to see how much they really change and turn into that really aggressive monster. And if there's really that much of a change, because there's some cars that really become night and day when you change those modes, like the 730S, 720S. Like Porsche is just like a little stiffer and whatnot, but let's see what they achieve this time around with this car, which it already feels, by the way, it feels like a regular fucking car, which is amazing when you have it in this mode. You can totally daily this thing if you're committed to destroying your ass. We're about to get to the canyons, and before I put it in sport and all that good stuff, I just want to tell you guys, Porsche did a hell of a job making this car really bipolar. It's really quiet, it feels really firm, it feels really solid and comfortable right now. It feels like a daily. And I know that this is a great thing for the car. This is gonna be a bad thing, I think, in general, because it doesn't feel, just when you get in the car, you're just driving through the canyons like this at this speed, it doesn't feel that extra. And when you tell someone, hey, this is a $350,000 super hyper fast car, they go, what? But that's when you're going slow. Let's turn everything on and see how that feels when we're going fast. That's not good. Dude. Hugs the corners. Jesus Christ. Can I tell you something? This car isn't doing anything yet. There's so much room in the power band, on the grip. You have to do a number that's so illegal for you to feel like what this car can do. I mean, you see how crazy it is, right? How it switches positions. It's like a fucking knife. But it's so good, it feels like it's not doing anything. Like, if I did this on my car GT, I'd feel like I'm dying.
I feel like this puts so much confidence in drivers that it's going to be dangerous.
It's actually really fucking dangerous. This is called the Widowmaker, guys. The 2RS line has always been known as the Widowmaker. Why? Because before they didn't have traction control. You have 600 horsepower basically to the rear wheels with a car that has the motor on the rear side of things. So all of the weight's there. It snaps like a motherfucker. This car's way, I mean, there's a limit in this car that I'll never, ever experience on the street. Ever. Because it's not safe. The car is so fucking capable. This is the first time I've seen a car that's so capable. It doesn't. You see what I'm saying, buddy?
I mean, I'm looking at the speed, and I don't believe what I'm seeing in these canyons. I don't think that we've ever done anything like this in the canyons.
And how easy?
It's way too easy. Even as a passenger, you don't feel the experience that you would in a Carrera GT or any other car that is typically raw and meant for speed and power. This is just so capable. It's crazy.
It's fucking bananas. Okay. Wow. Wow. I would love for you guys to notice a couple of things and check out a couple of things. Number one, we're out here in LA in the canyons. Look at this fucking view. How can you beat that? Number two, down there, underneath those clouds, that's Malibu. That's all water. The ocean's right there. Number three, canyon driving in the 2RS, which is fucking dope, taking some sexy ass pictures with Buddy. But I want you guys to pay attention to the one thing, the biggest and most important thing here, which is why I'm gonna be murdered by my wife tomorrow. You guys see that dirt? She just gave me those yesterday. So whenever you put a McLaren next to it, a 720S next to this GT2 RS, this is what happens. Oh my God! Goodbye! How?
Wow, that was, I'm shaking right now.
Dude, couldn't you notice? That was crazy.
Go, 1, 2, go! Okay. Jesus Christ. Dude, honestly, I'm just like telling you, honestly, what the fuck?
One can put their grandmother in this car, okay? And put Michael Schumacher in that car, and grandma will destroy that car.
Grandma's killing, man.
Wow, what a car, McLaren, what a car.
We just came back from racing the 720S against the GT2 RS. Holy shit balls, guys. Whoa. Either way, the day continues to go. Today's been a lot of fun. It was really strange getting that GT2 RS. And it's kind of like meeting your heroes, right? When someone tells you, don't meet your heroes or whatever. Farghini!
Yes, sir.
Are you ready to go?
Let's do it.
Thank you. Farghini's giving me a ride to pick up the Raptor S because we left it at Galpin.
Yeah. And also, Mike, well, you and I have one thing that we hate in cars, creaking noises and little noises, right?
Yeah.
And now it's making like a...
Oh no! I know exactly what you're saying.
I cannot stand that. I cannot stand it. We gotta go get that fixed, please.
Let's go fix it.
WD-40.
How is a weapon of mass destruction going to help you?
What do you mean?
WMD?
Oh, no, WD-40.
And like always, can't come to gas with our hands empty. They just bought a few Puku Pals, so we had to just deliver them for Farghini's sake. And they're going to fix your truck too, right?
Big reorder. Yes, that's good. Let's see if I can make a big sound. Yeah, you hear it?
Yeah.
It doesn't more. I don't know why.
It's the clicking, and it's the suspension, by the way. I know that. You're probably going to need some suspension fluid.
I'm not gonna need nothing because I'm a warranty.
So all of these bags, Tommy, we haven't seen you in a while. I think you've been busy. Yeah. Do you like how we bring them in professional bags?
It's so professional.
Thank you.
Glad sponsor.
And by the way, I need the bag when you're done too. I need the bag.
So all of these bags.
Fresh as the guy, like Ralph, who goes in, he's like, I got my bag.
Yeah, of course.
Hey Tommy, all of these bags are for the Galpin show,
car show,
like the one that we did last year. When is it? October?
October 7th.
October 7th, and all of my cars are going to be here.
They'll be
Do you know
lined up
that?
right
I'm
here.
sorry, Tommy. Belen thought you were Mexican.
was I?
And then I go, babe, look at his hair. And she goes, he does have amazing hair. That makes sense. That's how she knows you're Middle Eastern.
Dude, I'm okay. Whatever they go for, it's bad. Like Mexican, I'm down too.
Ah, fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Have you driven this before? Have you been inside of this before?
A little bit, just like a tiny bit.
I feel like your door didn't close because the starlight's not on. There you go. And now all I gotta do is turn it on. Ready?
Yeah. I never see the different colors.
It's different colors, Farghini.
I haven't seen that.
It looks dope, right?
Look, that's the Big Dipper. That's a round belt.
I'll show you the Big Dipper.